Welcome back to this new YouTube video tutorial series. In this video, I will be exploring a CSEC past paper question. This question, figure 1, Cape 2010, shows a truncated right angle triangle. We are asked to construct the centroid on the resultant trapezium using two different methods on the same figure. So this is the triangle which a section removed resulting in a parallelogram or a trapezium being formed. Now we could use two methods. We could use three methods to solve this. We could divide all four sides into three equal parts, then draw a line through the first division on each side, and where both of them meet, we join those lines. That is one method. We could also break this down into a triangle by first drawing a diagonal through here, then use graphical means to find the centroid for each triangle by using two methods. Then we join a line from both centroid, that is one. Then go on the other side, draw the next diagonal, and again find a centroid graphically, and then join both centroids. And at the point where the centroid for both pairs of triangle meet is the general centroid for this figure. We could also break this down into a triangle. This could be a triangle and a right angle triangle and a rectangle. So you could also use that and then use the ratio. You could use that method where we draw a line here, then use diagonal lines to find the centroid, and then we use the ratio. We calculate the area of both parts of the triangle, and then establish a ratio and use that ratio to divide between both centroids into that given number of parts to locate the centroid. So there are three ways in which we could do this. Now let me start the first method. First, I'm going to start by drawing this figure. That's the first step. To draw the figure, I'm going up to rectangle. Then I left click. The base horizontal is 60, height is 80. So I type 60, tab key, 80, 80, enter. I then draw a line from here down to here. I then use a circle of radius 30 and center here to let me fix this. So I could draw a circle 30, 30, enter. And this now established the parallel, the top section. I'll then go to my outline and I'll join from here to here, then trace here, there, and there, enter. That part is now done. Now, which method will I be using to do this one first? First, let me divide each side into three equal parts. So for that, I type div, enter. Select object to be divided, this side. Number of segments I want is 3. 3, enter. That side is done. I'm going to now repeat the process. Space bar. Left click to select this. Number of sides I want is 3 or segments. Enter. That's done. Press space bar to restart. Click here. Number of segments again is 3. Enter. Space bar or enter key to restart. Left click on this line. Number of segments I want 3. Enter. That's now done. I would then use construction line. I will then use construction line. Use yes, construction line to draw a line through these points. The first points here, and where they meet will be the centroid. So I would type XL, enter, and I would touch this line, touch there. That's done. Space bar to reactivate. Touch this, touch that. That's done. Space bar, touch this, touch that. That is done. Space bar, touch this, touch that. Enter. That's now done. Yeah. So all I'm doing, I'm using construction line to draw a line through the very first divisions at each corner. At this corner, first division, first division. At this corner, first division, first division. Yeah. At this corner, first division, first division. At this corner, same thing. My next step is now to establish my centroid, and for that I'm using let me use this. So I go for line, and I draw a line from here to here. So I'm drawing line through the opposite or adjacent angles that are formed by the line that I draw. Space bar to reactivate. Click there. Click here. So now my centroid is right here. My centroid is here. Here's my centroid. So I'll be placed a little circle at the centroid. And I will be measuring the distance out, finding the location of the centroid relative to this point here. So dimension, go to dimension, click here. Oh, I need to change my dimension layer. Then I click here to here. Centroid and X is 22, space bar. Click here, Y is 21. It means therefore that the centroid is located X22, Y21. Alright, that is one method. Now I'm gonna reproduce this shape to a different location, and I will be using a separate method to find that.